Hi guys, Ben here at Cut Motorcycles. Just going to give you a quick video walk around of our 2007 Tuono Factory that we've got in at the moment. So the bike's done 28,000 miles, been really well looked after, good service history, valve clearances were done a couple of thousand miles ago. Yeah, real nice. A few tiny sort of cosmetic bits and bobs, but very minor. Great rider's bike. So I'll walk around, point out any defects. There's a few very sort of minor little stone chips, but sort of something or nothing really. Front carbon mudguard is all really nice again. A couple of little stone chips to the lacquer, one up there, but again pretty minor. Fork bottoms and the calipers are in really nice clean condition. The wheel paint is pretty damn perfect. We've put brand new tyres on. All the carbon that should be there is there and is intact. The full carbon belly pan. No damage to it. It'll also have a service with all fluids and the oil filter changed, and a full MOT before it leaves us. Tiny little rub marks from the boots, but again very minor, not indented at all. Swing arm is nice and tidy. Again, the rear wheel paint on it is pretty perfect. Little rub mark there from a strap or something. Tank is really nice and clean, no damage at all. All the switch gear is really nice and tidy. On the dash sometimes they get a bit of crazing and some splits, but there's none of that. Nice and tidy in and around the headstock. Tail unit is pretty damn perfect. No real scuffs or scratches. Carbon rear hugger again is perfect with no damage. Cans, these are original cans, but they have been gutted, so it is quite rorty. Chain sprockets, yeah, really good order. Swing arm, tiny little marks, but no damage. Again, nice and clean on this side. Full bottoms and calipers on this side, nice and tidy. There's a slight, just a little indent on there where the previous owner said he caught it with his engine crane when he was moving things around. But again, sort of something and nothing. Again, tank on this side is perfect.